Hello guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to open another rubric which will be based on how to analyze demographic data, or how demographic data affect our sales in a company. Now after seeing how to calculate analyzing the sales of a particular company, going down to analyzing the sales of a particular shop, we came about to see how demographic data affects, or how it affects the sales of a company. Now you can actually determine the number of persons that or the number of people that come into your company, and from that you take it down on an Excel sheet as this one, okay, and later on you can start analyzing. Okay, now you can see that we came about with the ages, the gender, the income, and the location, right, where they are found, right? So let's now try to see how the first one, which is the age, okay, affects, or let's try to analyze the ages of our subscribers. Now for this company, in order to analyze the ages, obviously we need to create a pivot table that will help us summarize more the data and help us interpret it the best way. So I will create our pivot table in the same sheet for us to appreciate. So for that, I am going to drag the ages on the row labels, okay, and then from there we are then going to still drag the age, but now this time around is in the value, right? Now when you have it like this, Excel thinks that you are actually trying to have the sum of the ages, right? So you are going to change the name of one, so you're going to double click on it, and then you change the name into analyze age. Good. Now this being done, right, what you need to do right now is that you right click on your pivot table, and from there you're going to choose the value field setting. In the show value as, you're going to click on percentage of column total, and from there you're going to have the ages into the percentage. Okay, you're going to have your ages in the percentage format. Now let's try to to group these ages, meaning you have like a grouping age sort. Okay, so in order to group these ages, you right click, but instead on the second one, or on the second pivot table, and then you click on group. The group pivot table or the group box will appear, and from there you can actually group your data, okay, by a group of 10 ages. Okay, so it's going to range from 2 years to 117, and it's going to group it in a group of 10. So you click on OK, and you can see that the values, or the ages, have been grouped into a group of 10 values. Now the use of this value will be effective, or would be important in a sense where a manager would use this data and know exactly the ranges, or the age range that he will advertise his products. So for example, in this we can see that the percentage lies more between the age of 32 to 41 years, meaning the ages from 32 to 41 years. When advertising, he will target more this age group, or this population with this age group, making the targets to be more efficient, and making the the clients to come more. Okay, whereas of all the ages like 100 years and below, and 2 and 12 years or 21 years and below, he will not lay emphasis on these ages. That is the use of this. Okay, so I hope you guys love the video. I hope this video is of great importance, will be of great importance to some of you guys. And let's meet in the precedent or in the next videos for you to discover more of these marketing tricks that you can use in order to grow your business in or your companies. So don't forget to like, to subscribe and share on our YouTube channel. And so bye bye.